Welcome to Ngobotonten Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is Ngobotonten Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Veldfield, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 1. Paganya kunjani?
Ngiyaphila ndodana futhi.
Siyaphila man. Ubayigama lakho ubuyaphi?
Utumelo ngibuye ePinoni Watfield.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm very disappointed bangishaya ifone vandag. Hey, pickpocket mfethu yabo.
Uyifake ngemuva?
Yeah, bengifaka emuva, la bengifaka ikhiya zemoto.
But uyifaka kanjani ifoni ngemuva estadium?
Hayi ngemuva, ngithola. Yeah.
So I saw it before.
But unfortunately, the game was a beautiful football, Yangtol.
Okay.
Amajita showed character, and I'm very proud of Amajita.
No, it's fine.
Oh, yeah, I'm very
Uthatha ifoni
Hey,
enye.
bangishaya ijezi manje. Hey,
Uzokushaya ijezi.
bangishaya ijezi Yangtol. But
mina ngiyakhala
regardless mfethu, Ibagania showed character vandag. The Sundowns were very scared of us, Yangtol. Yeah.
But ngibona ngathi inina benibasaba beningabaphushi kakhulu.
No, regardless ukubapusha ngithola mfethu.
Yeah.
Wa police ubadlalile mind games.
Strong,
Yeah, bashayile nge-mind game.
And bamkhipha.
Yeah, bamkhipha but yangithola uyadlala umjida, all right.
Yeah.
But i-Sundowns nge-31 January, 26 January.
Yeah.
So bashaya esikotini. Yeah, bayazi so babulala.
Mnandi.
Yeah, yangithola.
No, siyabonga kakhulu. Hathi ngefoni yakho mbutile.
Regardless mfethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, insurance izobhadala khululeka.
Nazo number 1.
Start mfethu.
Hey, tada, so.